Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm an English teacher. If you want to learn more about me or book a lesson online, just go to my website, www.team-english.com. Let's get started. What is a noun? A noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. For example, noun as a person, a teacher, a waiter, a policeman. Noun as a place, a city, a town, a park. Noun as a thing, an apple, a table, a window. Noun as an animal, a cat, a bird, a monkey. Some nouns begin with a capital letter. For example, the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Or the names of the month: June, July, August. The name of people: Michelle, Sarah, John. Also the names of holidays: Easter, Valentine's Day, Independence Day, Christmas. To make a noun plural, that means to have more than one, we normally add an S. For example, one book, two books. One cat, two cats. One tree, two trees. Nouns that end with s, sh, ch, x sounds, you add an es at the end to make it plural. For example, bus, buses. Class, classes. Bush, bushes. Watch, watches. Fox, foxes. Also, nouns that end with an O, you add an es at the end. For example, potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Nouns that end with a vowel and a y, you just add an s to make it plural. For example, day, days. Boy, boys. Nouns that end with a consonant and a y, you change the y to I and add es. For example, baby, babies. See, there's a B before the Y, so I change the Y to I and add ES. Family, families. There's an L before the Y, so I change the Y to I and add ES. Now there are nouns that end with an F or an FE. These nouns, you have to change the F to a V and add an ES. For example, wolf, wolves. Wife, wives. Scarf, scarves. Okay? And of course, there are some nouns where we just change the spelling completely, or we add on to the word. For example, child, children. Man, men. Woman, women. Be careful about the pronunciation of the singular form, woman, and the plural form, women. Person, people. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you have a request for a future video. Thanks. Bye.